Hi there, friend. Welcome back to Little Adventures with Faye. Today, we're learning about a big number, the number 10. Let's go. Here's the number 10. Can you say it with me? 10. Great job. Let's count the pencils together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bright pencils for writing and drawing. Look at the butterflies. Let's count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. God made 10 beautiful butterflies. Zoom, zoom. Let's count the toy cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fast and fun cars. Now let's trace the number 10 together. Start with a number 1, then a big circle for the 0. That's how we write 10. Great job. Let's talk to God together. Dear God, thank you for the number 10. Thank you for all the things we can count. Please help me learn, grow, and share your love. Amen. You did amazing today. Don't forget to subscribe to Little Adventures with Faye. For more counting fun, learning with love, and gentle prayers. See you next time.